This 2019 Prime Time Avenger ATI 26BK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 8, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, external shower, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Prime Time Avenger ATI 26BK is 4,773 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.